Hello and welcome to DIY by the Pond. Today we'll be making a DIY wasp trap. We'll be using simple household ingredients in order to attract and then trap the wasps. This first step is to locate the nest. For us, we noticed wasps hovering around one of our lawn chairs. When we looked closer, we saw a nest under one of the arms of the chairs. Now let's go over the ingredients and supplies. I'll be using water, juice, sugar, white vinegar, and dish soap. All of this is going in a gallon water jug. I'll show you how to cut the jug to make the trap. I'll get it for you in just a second. Now that the jug is cut, I'll show you my recipe. The sweet ingredients that we're adding now are meant to attract the wasps to the water jug. Adding the dish soap is important because it keeps the wasps from being able to escape the trap. I live in a windy area, so I decided to tape the top of my cutoff jug onto the bottom part of my jug so that it didn't fly away from the wind. And I also wanted to make sure that the trap didn't get messed with too much from animals overnight because of the sweet scent that might be coming from the mixture. I'm just using basic Scotch tape here and taping it on all four sides. Since we had the nest under the arm of the chair and we saw them hovering around the seat area, I placed the trap on the seat, then I moved it below the nest on the ground. I tested at the two locations, one on top of the chair and then one on the ground directly below the nest. The wasps didn't seem to hover near the trap when it was on the ground, so I put it back on top of the chair again. I left it there and then checked it the next day. The next day, we had 6 wasps in the trap. This meant the nest was not being guarded by the wasps anymore, and I could remove the nest with my hand. So overall, I'm super happy with our DIY wasp trap. It was fast and effective for situations like ours, where you could put the trap close to where the nest is located. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to the channel.